Hello and welcome back. This is a drink called how I make Carbonated French Vanilla Cappuccino, Blackberry Hibiscus. First thing you gotta do is you open up this lid and you pour in 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of the mix for French Vanilla Cappuccino. Close up the lid, pour in a little bit of water, stir it up. Then after that, you open up this Blackberry Hibiscus unsweet Fizzy Water and you pour it into this mug. And here is your Carbonated French Vanilla Cappuccino Blackberry Hibiscus. Enjoy it, thank you for watching, and have a great day, folks. Peace and prosper.